I've been stuck in this rat race for too many years. My teachers lied to me, my parents lied to me. They said if I got a good degree, good education, I would have a good life, financial freedom. That's not true. I'm still in debt. Mortgage to pay, expensive schools. Everything's too expensive. I cannot survive. My hands are tired. I've got big good news today. I've been reading lots of books. All these books I've been reading. I've been reading lots of books, and there's this one guy. This guy called Peter Lynch. He's a genius. He's taught me how to buy, trade stocks, trade the market. He says all I have to do is invest money in the stock market, but the growth could be 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. This could be it. This could be my answer. This could be my escape. This could be my answer, guys. This is it. This is it. Do you want to know about my Millionaire portfolio plans from this year onwards? I'm going to share this information and the journey that I'm going to be embarking, and hopefully this will make me a millionaire in times to come, and this is the perfect opportunity. So stick with me and I'll share with you my plans and story. If you live in the UK and looking for a UK stocks and shares ISA broker, please do check out Hargreaves Lansdown. It is what I use, and I recommend it to you and your family. I use it for my wife, my kids, and everyone building our wealth portfolio. And it's amazing, high security, very intuitive, and very great knowledge learning platform. Click on the link below to sign up today, free of charge, and build your journey today. Hey, welcome back. Thank you for coming to my channel. And today the topic of conversation is PUF Millionaire Portfolio X1000. So it's 3 stocks. It's P, U, and F. Stands for 3 different companies. I'm going to explain to you each individual company. P stands for Pinterest. Not sure if you know Pinterest, but Pinterest is basically a social media platform, and companies use it for digital marketing. It's basically you go into Pinterest, it's like Instagram. It's just a picture, and you click on it, it brings you to a link elsewhere. So how much is Pinterest worth today? What's Pinterest share price today?
Pinterest closed much higher yesterday, all the way up to $14.26. That's an increase of $1.74, or 13.90%.
Okay, back here. Pinterest. I currently have about 650 Pinterest shares. I'm averaging about $20.96. Hoping to buy more, so I'm not far from hitting the 1,000. I'm at 650 just now. All I need is to buy another 350. I'll hit 1,000, and hopefully I'll hold them for a long time. So it could go both ways. Pinterest could vanish and fail, or Pinterest could be really successful. So the world is the oyster. They're still growing. They just got the IPO in 2019. They came out in summer 2019. We need to give time for them to invest the money that we provide them as shareholders, for them to turn it into something really big. And I think Pinterest, with the modern day visual digital marketing, it could go somewhere. Their competition, obviously, like the likes of Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, but then Pinterest produced its own niche. Pinterest has got SEO, that when you type stuff into Google, Pinterest gets tracked on the SEO and appears on your search engine. And the last Q4 announcement before the drop, they were doing really well. Very high potential. The debt's been really lowered. They're gaining traction. Again, unfortunate for the event. I'm holding on 650 shares, 350 to go. Hopefully I can get more in this current climate and just hold in for foreseeable future. Okay, for the second one, who is you? Who do you think you is? Okay, You is again another IPO company in 2019. It was the biggest IPO in 2019. Some call it failure, some call it real success, some call it in the wrong time market. And this company is called Uber. Everybody knows Uber, Uber Eats, Uber Cars, and future Uber flights as well. So how much is Uber worth today? Over to you.
Uber Technologies went up quite a bit, to $26.39 yesterday. That's $3.99 higher, or 17.81%.
17%? Oh my goodness. I have Uber shares. I've got about 610 Uber shares. I took advantage of the climate to buy them on its way down. I think Uber this week hit as low as 11 to 12 bucks. But my average on Uber, 610 Uber shares, that's how much I own, $29.64. I hope they're rising really quick today, as you've seen in the rise up to 17%. It could go up and down, very volatile. I'm not expecting to go just one way. It's going to be high volatility. So hopefully I can get another additional 390 to make it 1,000 Uber shares. If I still have enough money and they're still low, I might perhaps buy even more. This is the right time, the right climate. Again, a bit unfortunate that we're going through this coronavirus, and folks like Uber cars will stop working. I think the next Q2, Q3 will be quite a significant damage. Maybe Uber Eats will be alright, but again, it will be a dent in the business. They were going plans hoping to make profit and reduce the debt by Q4 this year, but I suppose the plan's out the window. They'll be staying low for a period until 2021. But I'm holding on. High potential, great branding company, and Uber has got huge backup from celebrities, from institutional funds. Very volatile. Bear would love to pull them down. Bull would love to pull them up. It's really volatile. That's the nature of a great, amazing brand. So Uber is for me to keep long term, hopefully to buy them 1,000 shares of them, or maybe even beyond 1,000 shares. So Uber is in my portfolio from a Millionaire growth. And now for the third one, F. F stands for Fiverr. I'm sure if you follow my channel, you've seen me talking about Fiverr shares every time. It might be my third or fourth video about Fiverr. I like Fiverr. How much is Fiverr worth today? Over to you.
Fiverr International shares saw a big jump yesterday, closing at $24.11. That's 87 cents higher, or 3.74%.
Awesome. Okay, back again. So I have 295 Fiverr shares. Average about $30.44. Before I was averaging lower, but I sold them out at a profit to take profits before the market started dipping. And I went in too quickly. And now Fiverr has dropped even as low as 20 bucks, but now it's up again. Again, another volatile company. Fiverr is basically a freelance company that you can do online. People working from home can make money at the comfort of your own home. You can have clients from overseas in America and South Africa, Singapore, and Indonesia. You have clients everywhere as long as you've got a good rapport and a good skills that you're providing. You might be a web designer, you might be a singing artist, or you might be a voiceover. You might be an artist that draws logos, artwork, cartoons, book art illustrator, all sorts. It's growing. Fiverr is growing, huge potential, and then it helps the whole world connect. I see huge potential. I see more and more products coming from Fiverr, and I do see competition as well. But the great thing about Fiverr is the branding. Branding is huge. The same of Pinterest, the same of Uber. I'm buying these guys because of great branding potential, great branding vision. And out of the three, Fiverr is actually my favorite, but it's lagging behind because the share price is not dropping as low as I can buy them. So I think out of the three, Fiverr might be the first to profit, might be the first IPO to profit. Again, I don't think it'll be happening this year as plans are failing because again of the incident that we're going through. And hopefully I can get them more as more in and hit my X1000 on Fiverr. So I hope you enjoy my PUF portfolio, Millionaire portfolio X1000 here. Hopefully in future I can bring this series up if you guys like. And who knows, I may even add 1 or 2 more into the family of X1000. But for now, PUF is keeping me busy. I'm trying to work hard and save hard as much as possible so I can buy more of these amazing branded companies. I do sometimes call them the 2019 class IPO. But who knows, things will change, but I'm keeping them long term. This is the opportunity for me to hold them so I can get my journey. Imagine 3 shares going millionaire stocks. Anyway, stop dreaming. Get into reality first. Let's just focus, focus, focus. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to click like and subscribe if you like my videos for future updates. Alright guys, have a good time. Take care. Bye.